Seriously? Yeah. What? Calm down. Who? Yeah, Piplup. That's awesome. Luigi. Oh my god. You have challenge Barry now. Okay, he's... Oh, let's skip this. Oh yes, Beal. Really? This Pokemon's cute. Come on. Man, and this cow Pokemon's too cute. Oh, use Body Slam, please. Who? Oh wait, then it's my turn. Why do I have Pikachu with me? Oh my god. Okay, we like that. That's nice. What is he trying to learn? What? Oh my god. Oh no! Milk Tank, continue, please. Oh, Piplup. Please. Okay. No, stop. Oh my goodness. It's upping the attacks. Oh gosh. Oh no. Ah, the Milk Tank. Oh. Now we're challenging her? Now we're challenging him? Sorry, that's my mistake. Now. Oh great. What happened now? Use this. Finally did it. Sorry, Piplup. That's the end. I'm level 13 now. That's fast. I started this game the moment after I installed the other game. Sorry, I need to play something else for once. Oh, you're excellent. I better go to Cookie Cats as fast. You cannot switch out. Okay. Are you kidding me now, Poppy? What the? Oh my god, I just saw Team Rocket there. Why? Well, the game really works really well. But first off, since I loaded this game, well, it's just the other company now, and the game is updated and it looks different. But they still have the same one music all over again. Oh, Mario. What is this? Splat? No, Mario, keep going. What kind of tile was that? What? Oh dear. Ow. That was quick. Oh, cookies. What happened here? Oh dear. Ow. Ow. No, stop that, Poppy. Please. Can you really hear the music? Yes, you can. Ah, I missed the exact volume with the music. Man, you must be angry at something for no reason. Okay, it's done loading. I realize that. What about my cookies? Oh dear, I bet it's going to fall asleep. Oh no, she's watching the game, that's it. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh no, not again. Oh no, not again. Oh, mouse. Coming through again. 32. What? What do you mean 32? What do you mean 32? What do you mean 32? It's new. Oh my god, are you alright? What happened? Oh! Wow, that thing looks so cute. Oh dear. Okay, that's it. Uh. Oh my god! Why? What is going on? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Stars. Ugh, the new equation. Okay. Oh my god. Did you see a mouse go by? You two have to wake up as well. Oh my god. I said up! Please, just stay up. Doesn't matter anymore, so let me just wake you up. Please. This has done far enough. Oh my god. This is how it's going to be. Oh dear. What the? No! And she does not like it again. It just says cats on it. Cookie cats. Come on, you like all the cookies. I gave you some of my cookies. But now what? Start to get angry for no reason once again. Oh my god. Wow! It's much better. Okay. Oh my god. Of course it's gonna be that. That. Again. Oh, okay. Strange. Oh my god. You asked for this. Nope. Haha. Oh, how? Ow. And she is something else. Oh dear. Yes. Aw. Oh my god. You're something else. I mean it. Oh my god. Ha ha ha. Okay. What? Okay. Why is she doing that? Oh dear. Wow. Wow, that's how you do it. Bahaha, try to stop me. I will. I will. I will. I will stop you. Are you playing a joke? No. No jokes attended. Sorry. Oh dear. Not again. Why was that laugh? Huh. Why was that? Oh my god, not again. Not again. What do you mean not again? Why she look surprised? Why she look surprised? Oh, she's doing this like, oh man, not this way. Oh my, I ended up like this. What happened? Do you just go at you or something? Oh gosh, I think you did. And probably ended up like this. Oh my, she said. Ah, you're right. Ugh, please, that laugh. Do you really have to do this? What? Okay, that's probably Baby Bowser this time. Okay. After that laugh. What? Okay. Yeah. Now you have high quality into this no matter what. This looks better. What? Do 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 do. Oh, 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 oh. Ugh. That's new. That's new. What did you do? What do you mean? Giving them treats. Oh my god. I'm giving them treats. Oh my. Are you doing this again? Oh my god. Ah! Again? I command you to stop that, please. I'm asking you nicely. I said stop. Please. Stop. No more. Okay, good. Now you're listening. Oh. What was that? Oop. Much better. Oh, did I just see you got angry at me for no reason doing that? No, I'd rather replay the video and do this before. Oh, just to see that happen. Maybe after I record this one. Oh, no! That laugh. The end. I'm okay. Oh my god. I lost, okay?